it has to be more crisp.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to talk to you all about the second thing that I was doing this week, and that is startup product testing, kind of something like that. So we've been working on the product for some time now. Oh my goodness, I've been working on this startup idea for forever, right? And it's like, can you just get it started already? Anywho, so this week we are actually getting ready to launch next month. So all of my time this week, I was like, we're testing out the product, like what would be the user journey when a user comes in, what is the first thing they do, what is the second thing they do, what is the third thing they do, and we're just checking like the flow to make sure that the flow was really what we want. And it's gearing up, it's looking really nice. I cannot wait for the world to see what it's going to look like. I think it's actually going to be really, really good. And the front-end engineer, the backend engineer, and the AI engineer, they have been doing their darndest, like to make sure that it's really, really good. They are still working on it. Of course, they're going to continue working on it. As long as the company exists, they are always going to be working on the product to make it better, right? But this is like version 1 of it. And it was interesting, sort of testing it out, seeing how it's going. I'm going to be recruiting like beta users to come in and test the product to get feedback on what are their thoughts about it, like what do they think about it. I'm thinking we'll probably have to recruit like 100 people to come in and test the product, see how they feel about it, and then based off of that, we are going to determine this. I'm going to fry it for a bit, and then I'm going to put the camera this way. Alright. So I'm going to fry it for a bit, and the light is okay, the light is okay. So I'm going to fry it for a bit, and then I'm going to put the potatoes, and the potatoes is going to be cooking here. As you can see, the tomatoes is boiling there, and yeah. So I'm excited about the product release, but a tiny bit of, oh my goodness, are people going to, what are they going to think? But since I have like a following on social media, I am going to be bringing some students along to test it out, give me feedback, see what they think about it. And then do they need that we should make some changes? If we have to make some changes, we'll make the changes. And just figuring out, like, make it better, till we are sort of like ready to send it out into the world. So that is what I've been doing in terms of like startup product making this whole week. And just in the spirit of startup, something that because I was talking to, I'm talking to a lot of people who can give me advice about what way should you go, because I am very weary of VCs, right? Sometimes it's like, I don't know if I read so many posts on LinkedIn about VCs are like the worst, VCs do not like founders, VCs take advantage of founders. So because of that, I'm always just like, so which way is a better way to go? So I speak to so many people just to get counsel about what should I do, what way should I go, what makes sense. And I spoke to a certain lady. She sort of supports other startups, and she was like, I tell you, as someone who has been a VC, try not to go the VC route. And I was like, okay, I hear you loud and clear. And because of that, I've been researching like incubators, accelerators, because yes, they have investors included in their ecosystems, but I feel like maybe they will protect startups a little bit more compared to if you just go straight to go pitch to a VC. So because of that, I spoke to the people at Antler Antler Japan, and they had like an event. They had an event going on on Friday. So one of them who is like part of it told me that, okay, just come in and talk to the people, see if you're interested, you can apply. So I went and I spoke to the people at Antler. It was interesting talking to them, and apparently they have like thousands of applicants. That's what the lady told me, and now you have to apply. We have to go through the application process, then go through see if you get selected. If you get selected, we move to the next stage, to the next stage, to the next stage. So apparently that is how it happens, and I'm like, okay. So I'm going to be beginning the application for Antler Japan like this week, and I'm looking forward to seeing like exactly how it goes, because applying is not guaranteed that you're going to get it, right? So I'm going to be doing Antler Japan, I will apply. Shibuya Startup, I will apply. Techstars, I've already completed the application. And then there is one called Samurai Japan. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm going to do more research about it, and I'm going to be applying for it. So yeah, that is the update in terms of startups.
Yeah. Tasting? Yes.
All right, let's do.
Yes.
Tasting team.
The tasting team. I don't,
Always here to support.
you're here to support.
Any tasting, I will support it.
Okay. Oh, Jeremy, come. Keep in mind that this is not food. This is me trying some recipe. So
What is it supposed to be?
William needs to try this. This is Italian food.
Yeah.
He needs. I need him to give me a review of my Italian food skills. that is Jeremy showing up. I think it looks good. I think it looks good.
Wow, spicy.
It's spicy.
Spicy.
I tried to make it not too spicy.
It's really good. Really good spicy. Wow.
Thank you for helping me wash. Listen, these are the benefits of staying in a shared house, okay?
That is 100%.
Yes, somebody helps you wash.
Yeah, it is spicy.
It is spicy, right? Is it too spicy?
No, it's not too spicy.
Because the recipe says no
I got
spice.
fired.
The recipe does not say you should put chili, but me being
Let's put chili.
let's put chili.
As soon as I started the side business, I got fired.
I'm not trying, so it's okay.
Okay. All right, let me try it also.
Okay. Sorry, boss.
You got my attention actually.
Ah,
You got my attention. Somebody said spicy. I was like, okay.
that's good.
Yeah, I was like, okay.
Spicy is good.
Yeah.
I swear, spicy is
Yes.
good. Alright, let me also try it. Let me see what I think.
Mm.
I like it. Do you like it? I like it.
Mm. Mm.
I
No,
think
this
I
is
should
good.
add a little
This
bit
is
more
good.
salt. More salt,
I was
right?
gonna say, but I'm a salty guy.
Yeah. I think I should put a little bit more salt.
You have the pink one here.
Which one?
Salt is one thing actually I can't make out.
This one?
Always make, yeah.
The Himalayan. He says Himalayan salt. Do you think we should put more
I
salt?
have a, yes.
I mean, salt actually is something that I won't understand.
Oh, you don't eat salt?
No, I mean, I won't know actually unless it is like too less.
Ah, okay.
So that's fine with you, yeah.
Uh-huh. All right. Cool.
You can use mine if you want. Celle de Guérande.
More jam.
Mm, nice.
How do I take this out? I need a spoon, Jeremy?
I just use my hands.
What kind of salt is this, Jeremy? Sel de fleur de sel. Fleur de sel.
Celle de
Fleur de-
Guérande.
What is
Guérande.
Guérande? What is Guérande?
It's an
It's a
area in
place
France,
in
like
France?
West France.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Jeremy.
It's like their specialty.
This is the tea?
Spécialité. Yeah, very well.
No?
You know, the upside down.
Oh. I was doing it so wrong. Like upside down. Upside down. Look at it.
Well, I'll speak medium
Yeah.
or hey, wait.
That's she got my attention actually to move it
And
so
there is
much.
cheese also. You can add more cheese.
Well, thank you. It's perfect that way. With the salt.
This is not enough mix.
Yeah.
I know. Korean, this is really
Yeah, I'm going to add salt here to the whole pot. It's too spicy?
No.
moderate, like enough.
Okay.
This dish is too spicy for me.
Now you know the connection.
If anything, my tongue doesn't work. It's too spicy. It doesn't work.
I hear you.
Salt with salt actually.
Yeah. Now you put a little bit more salt.
Okay. I'll try.
Tastes better. So I'm going to add salt here.
Let's see.
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this. We definitely we're all on the same level in a way. You would expect this one.
Okay. I'm going to go. Oh no. Looks good, right?
It's like Irish or